Hi, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change or update name servers for your domain name. So let's get started. Changing name servers or updating name servers for your domain name is an important step if you're looking to point your domain to a different hosting provider or a DNS service. So the first step to change your name server is to log into your domain registrar account or log into your Harmon web account. So from your hosting account, we'll click on domains. And from here, we'll click on the settings icon. We'll click on manage name servers. From our name servers page, we have the use default name server, which is set to Harmon Web's DNS server by default. So if you want to change your name server, you click on the use custom name server. So from here, you'll be able to put the name server of the particular web hosting provider you want to connect to or a particular DNS service you want to connect to. So let's say I want to connect to GreenGig. I'll have to paste the name servers of GreenGig here and also paste the second name server here. And these name servers will come from a particular DNS service you want to connect to, a particular web hosting provider you want to connect to. So once you're done, you click on change name servers. Now name server changes takes between 1 to 48 hours to fully propagate. Now you can see the notification here. So thank you guys for watching today's video. I hope today's video has helped you out. If you have any question, feel free to leave them in the comment section below. Don't forget to like this video, share this video, and also subscribe to our YouTube channel to stay updated with our latest videos. Thank you guys.